It's time to go to Juan's Coaching Corner and talk about a simple breathing exercise that can help you if you are stressed about something, or also in the evening if you want to fall asleep a little easier. This is an exercise that will get your parasympathetic system sort of activated and get you ready for that nice relaxing time. So what happens when you deep breathe is that you are activating the parasympathetic system, which is your rest and digest system, right? And when you sigh, so if I breathe in and then I don't just breathe out, but I go, I actually sigh, the vibration that creates on my throat is tickling my vagus nerve, which is actually helping activate that parasympathetic nervous system and helping you de-stress. If you do that, if you notice what it does when you sigh, like an audible sigh, you get this nice resonant vibration inside of your throat and moving down your body, and it helps you actually relax. So the exercise is very simple. It's a simple counting exercise of mindful breathing, which just means that you're going to be paying really close attention to your breath. So as you breathe in, you count for like 4, and then you breathe out, you count for like 7. The idea is to breathe out for just a little bit longer than you're breathing in, and then just at least at the first few ones, go with a nice little sigh. So you breathe in for 4, you breathe out for 7. You can change the number. You can breathe in for 7, breathe out for 11. You know, just whatever, something, a ratio like that. That way you're letting go of a little bit more air than you're actually taking in. This is a great way for people that have a hard time falling asleep at night. This is a great way for them to actually, get their body in a nice, restful, comfortable state. That is what gets people to go to sleep. When people have the difficulty falling asleep, in many cases, is because they can't quiet their mind. Their mind is just going crazy. Well, this exercise of mindful breathing, you're not paying attention to all the other things going on in your mind. You're paying attention to your breath. You're paying attention to how long you're breathing in, how long you're breathing out, and you're also paying attention to where that breath goes. So if I take a breath through my nose, I can feel it, moving through here and up back here, and then I can feel my chest sort of rising. I can feel my abdomen also, getting full. So notice where that breath is going as you count in and you count out. And you just continue to sort of follow that breath in and out, noticing that the more you breathe in relaxation, the more you can also let go of a little bit more of those cares, frustrations, troubles of the day with every exhale. Okay, so you breathe in relaxation, you breathe out a little bit of those cares, those troubles, frustrations, and just think about doing it for a little bit longer on the exhale than you are doing it on the inhale. All right? There you go.
Hey, if you found value in this video, please hit the like button so more people can find it, and consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell for more life-enhancing content. Oh, and by the way, there's no rush. Hang around, watch some other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.